Dave Spano with the Money Talk Minute. Ask Mr. Fix-It. There's a lumber shortage in the U.S. affecting everyone from pros to do-it-yourselfers. In fact, 1/3 of professional contractors say they cannot get the supplies they need. Lumber prices are headed north. It's not your contractor's fault. It's 100% supply and demand. For home builders, the spike in lumber prices has increased the cost of an average family home by over $16,000. Here is another issue. The weather has been good this fall and early winter, so contractors and builders are busy. Once caught up, it's on to the next project, except building material is scarce or much more expensive. Annex Wealth Management can build a solid investment and retirement plan for you and your family that'll get you ready for 2021. Do it with a fee-only fiduciary. Head to annexwealth.com and click the Get Started button. I'm Dave Spano from Annex Wealth Management, and that's your Money Talk Minute.